Here I have TCL 10 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, open settings, go to the sound section, and here you have Do Not Disturb preferences. You can add rules on it. Rules is just a schedule for Do Not Disturb mode. And there is also priority only allows. And exceptions for Do Not Disturb mode, it could be reminders, events, messages from specific contacts. The same goes for calls. And there's also an option repeated calls. If the same person calls a second time within 15 minutes period, allow it. To switch Do Not Disturb mode, just go to the upper bar here and tap on it once. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.